Have you ever noted how in rentals you want to cut your bills and be sustainable, but you can change the features? You know the feeling when every shower is money and energy down the drain and the landlord says no modifications. That's why I'm building AquaSnap, a tool-free, clearance matter Arita for renters. It snaps onto most TED and handle showers in seconds. No plumber, no screw, no permission. Inside a safe power micro tubist drives a flow sensor. The app shows liters, dollars, and oxygen saves. And the venture design keep the water feeling great while cutting flow by around 30 to 50%. When you move, just take it with you. I'm passionate about this because I've lived the rental friction, wanting control with none. Aquasna remove the reblocker installation friction, is rental safe, portable, and delivers instant saving plus feedback to build habits. I'm looking for co-founder who care about hardware design and behavior change, people who want to scale impact through campus pilot, co-living partner, and online sales. If you are excited to buy practical climate tech that play back in math, join me. Let's make smarter, cheaper, lower carbon water use the device for rental. Thank you.